In light of the previously breached IMF commitments, this PNP-led government has utilized our consultative approach to frankly engage a range of stakeholders and to act with decisive leadership, to do and not just proclaim or talk about the following. First, we passed a tough budget which raised our primary surplus to 6% from 3% at the end of the previous financial year. This was the outcome of a significant tax package which called for sacrifice from a wide cross-section of the society, as well as a significant cut in real expenditure which affected all areas of government. Secondly, we tabled a white paper outlining a program and timetable for pension reform, and we are on track. Third, we have completed the basic study on tax waivers and concessions with support from international consultants. In the meantime, we have taken the policy decision to significantly cut back on waivers and to reduce the powers of the Minister of Finance to grant discretionary waivers. Fourthly, we have cut 3,000 posts from the Central Civil Service establishment, and work is well underway for a similar number of posts to be eliminated from the public bodies. Fifth, today in Parliament, we will be tabling a white paper on tax reform, which seeks a balance between simplicity, fairness, and revenue enhancement in order to facilitate economic growth. This government had made a commitment to doing so in November. It's a commitment that we're keeping. Sixth, the Minister of Finance will also take the second reading of the bill to enact the Public Debt Management Act, a critical step to enable a single law that will set out clear objectives for the management of our public debt. Seventh, effective April 1st, 2013, the next financial year, overall management of public sector finances will be undertaken through the newly instituted Central Treasury Management System, which is a critical component of the government's economic program. The previous administration had 2 years post the signing of the letter of intent with the IMF and receiving significant sums of donor funding to substantively and credibly move on the promises that it had made. In less than a year, this PNP-led government, driven by a genuine commitment to all of the people of Jamaica, has moved as quickly as possible to close the trust deficit created by the previous administration, both locally and internationally.